have a go at this. We didn't have anything on the dash, except the GoPro. Well, soon.
We will have the GoPro.
We're going to have this little fella on the dash. Check him out.
This
Name's
is
Boomer.
Boomer.
And he moves his head around. He's got a spring and something to stick him on.
What a little legend.
Pretty cool.
Let's see if we can get him in a good light. Oh, there he is. There he is, peeps. Oh, look, this is Boomer.
Oh yeah, he loves it.
Yeah.
He's all about it.
After a quick drive-by of Lake Victoria and an overnight stay in Rockhampton, we find ourselves for the next week staying in the coastal town of Emu Park, located just a short drive from Yeppoon. A must-do when in Emu Park is visit the Centenary of ANZAC Memorial Walk, a tribute to our Australian soldiers. Here you will also find the Singing Ship Monument that commemorates the area's legacy of the historical exploration of Captain James Cook. The design allows the breeze to pass through the fluted pipes to produce musical sounds. After a day of exploring the area, we encountered the community fair, Beach to Beach, to which we picked up a little companion to join us on our adventures. Meet Boomer.
Right, peeps, where's he going? We've got to decide. Here he is. Here's our little Boomer. He's pretty cool. He's on a spring and he just bops around like that. So solid. Not going to hit. No. There we go. He's on. He's on. Boomer's in.
Boomer is in. Boom. Oh, how cool is he?
Hello?
I wonder if he's in your book.
He would be. So what? He's just trained, like, can I pay him?
Yeah.
Hey, mate? No?
I'd be a bit wary, but
Bit wary? Okay, wait. Hey, mate?
when I'm close to him, you can.
Hello.
He said hello. Hello?
Oh, how cute.
That's awesome.
He's doing a little head nod. What's
Hey,
the
mate.
go with the head nod? Oh, he's checking you out.
Give me your side profile, babe. Can I look at his colours? Oh, wow.
Oh, he's doing it for you.
Wow. Look at that tail.
Oh, wow. Look, he lifts his wing up and everything.
I'm just trying to.
How cute.
Thank you very
You're
much for that.
adorable. It's a pretty boy. You're pretty. So I just found 90 cents on the ground. Winning! My shout at the pub tonight. Let's go. Might find some more. After some cold, cloudy days, we took the next opportunity to get into some fitness and enjoyed a 42-kilometre cycle to Yeppoon and back. It was much needed training for our Cape to Cape in October, and we also got to enjoy the beautiful coastline and beaches from Emu Park to Yeppoon, before heading to our next destination of Byfield National Park.
Going, babes?
Good.
What are you up to?
Just checking out the area.
Yeah, right. How's that going for you?
Pretty good.
Nice here, isn't it?
It's beautiful. It's absolutely lovely. The facilities are really well laid out.
Is it a campsite for the night?
At Byfield, we stayed at the pet-friendly camp area of Red Rock. Although the weather was not the best, we still set off on an adventure to make the most of our stay, and first destination was Upper Stoney's Creek. Just beautiful with its crystal clear waters.
We are at Upper Stony Creek, I think, and it's beautiful. Like, the water is crystal clear, but it's raining and it's cold. It's winter, so can't hit it at the wrong season. But if you come here in summer, the water down here is beautiful. It's deep. You can drop that rock. Awesome. Don't jump on the rock, but you could. It's fantastic. Yeah. You gotta be careful of the rock monsters, apparently.
Rock monsters.
Rock monsters, according to Lena, they're freshwater bull routes, so they're like stonefish. So I know the saltwater ones are very nice. I can't imagine the freshwater ones being much better. So, but it's epic here. Absolutely beautiful.
Crazy Joogzee monster. he's going backwards. Okay, keep moving. Come on, quick, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. I don't want to piss him off. He leaned up a little. How you going, babe?
Yeah, good. I've got some boiling hot green tea here, and we're going full driving in Byfield National Park, or wherever we are, Byfield somewhere. I think it's National Park, yeah, I'd say so. So we've already spilled one cup everywhere. Lena, I haven't filled the bloody cup. This is the half baby cup. So, green tea, look out.
Feeling like all the radicals had been eradicated from our body and our little snake hadn't killed us. We enjoyed the scenic drive through Byfield State Forest and the National Park. We then made a quick stop to let some air out of the tyres before venturing up to Big Sandy and the very tight tracks to Five Rocks. As we were driving through, an old fella stopped us and told us there was a tree blocking the route. It was perfect because I'd left the chainsaw in the caravan.
What you gonna do? We forgot the chainsaw. Yeah. Oh! Yeah. Now we're really stuck. What do you got?
A trusty mini little axe. See how we're going to go with this.
How big's that axe?
It's tiny. It's ridiculous. The boys love this because it's Bear Grylls Gerber. I've got a big chainsaw. Well, I don't have a big chainsaw either.
Where's the chainsaw?
Oh, not here.
How do you feel right now?
Good, actually. It's actually working quite well. For a mini axe, I tell ya.
And was this a recommendation from the guys at work?
Oh, yeah.
What did they think about you buying this axe?
They loved this. They really loved this bloody little axe.
Was this their recommendation?
Oh, yeah. No, it was top of the list.
Look, it's getting the job done. Bear Grylls would be proud.
Well, I tell you what, Bear Grylls, if you're watching this, send me some free shit.
I'm not laughing. What happened?
As funny as this is, it's actually working.
Oh.
See? Look at
Victory.
that. Boom!
Price is averted thanks to Joogzee. Now our journey continues on a Five Rocks for lunch and an exploration. Five Rocks Beach is a straight 5.3 kilometre long, east-facing beach that lies between the Three Rivers Headland and Five Rocks Point. Five Rocks is named due to the presence of 5 distinctive sea stacks that sit atop the narrow 600 metre long point. Unfortunately, the weather was not the best, but we had some lunch, I looked for shells, then did a nudie run, and we explored the rocks and took in the fresh coastal air before heading back.
Point in the afternoon that I thought I'd have a go at going the wrong way back up Five Rocks. Didn't really work out too well.
Here is the face of an ambitious man. One last stop before our trip home, the headland of Stockyard Point. From here we can see all the way down 9 Mile Beach and also check out the north view of Five Rocks. The weather was still nice enough for us to gain some epic drone footage before the day's end. The next episode, we travel to Macaw, stay at Yalungala Dam and explore Finchhatton Gorge. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification button to get alerted to when our next video comes out. Until the next one, stay safe and keep rocking up.